guys, good morning. I have to-do lists today, so I wanted just to take you guys with me. I need to go to Target per usual. When am I not going to Target? Well, I want to go do that. I have a couple things I need to grab, and yeah, I just got ready really quick today. I uploaded a get ready with me on YouTube Shorts. I literally love making YouTube Shorts, so if you guys aren't watching those or subscribed so that you can see those, make sure that you are doing that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get headed to Target. If I'm feeling spicy, I might go to the thrift store. I don't know yet. It depends. It depends on how crazy it is out, but we'll see. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, babe, pretty solid Target trip. I did not spend over $100, which to me is always successful. Also, please ignore that my sunroof it melted off a couple summers ago because it gets so freaking hot in Missouri. Like, literally the glue that they put to hold the fabric together melted off. Not my problem. And I'm not paying $800 to fix it. I grabbed a couple fun things and I wanted to show you guys. Like, some of it was obviously just like groceries, and I had to get a little bottle of Moscato for my boyfriend's cousin because she's doing a little housewarming thing tonight. I'm also starving, so I got one of these Bolt House Farms Protein Plus. This is the only one that didn't have like half my daily value of fucking sugar in it, so I was like, oh, let me try that. This is the, I feel like I need to shake it more. It has almond butter in it for the protein, apparently. It does still have a lot of sugar. I doubt I'll finish this though. I just need a little something. It smells scary. It's actually, wow, that's good. Okay, love that. And then I got the UNWELL drink. Like, that's fun. I am a big Alex Cooper girly. Like, I know some people don't like her. Some people think she's controversial. I'm not gonna be judging women's podcasts when there's heterosexual men out here with podcasts that probably should be banned. So like, I'm not gonna sit here, waste my time judging women first. That's just like not what I'm gonna do. I am gonna take a sip of this. It is warm though. I got the strawberry one because it's like the pinkest. And I love strawberry flavored things, so. Yeah, that's good. It's reminding me of the Bai waters, like the BAI waters, but like those aren't really like electrolyte drinks. So the fact that this is like an electrolyte dealio, I love that. That is so freaking good. I also got salt and pepper shakers because I really, are we gonna focus? I really needed some, like, really bad, and these are really pretty. And then I got some salt and pepper, some coarse salt and pepper to put in these, and my boyfriend has salt and pepper grinders right now, but they're like kind of older, so all the salt and pepper falls out the bottom, and that's just a little bit annoying. Like, I'm tired of cleaning that up all the time, so that's no bueno. Command strips for my vision board that I'm making later this week. And then I got this mascara because it is a telescopic one, and I've had a lot of people tell me that if you like the normal telescopic, you'll like this. Now you guys, if you're not new here, you know I do not play about my mascara routine and my eyelashes. So if this doesn't work and I don't, oh my god, I'm sorry, I just saw somebody spit. Guys, when I have a thing about men who like hawk loogies, oh my god, I can't talk about it. Sorry. Anyways, this mascara, I need to get my mind off that. I'm excited to try it. So I'll probably try this like tomorrow. I'll post a little reel or get ready with me with it. I don't know. But yeah, the rest is just some like little household stuff. And I mostly came here because my boyfriend needed deodorant and I needed to get Moscato. And I left all of that. I left with $87 worth of stuff. Do I regret it? No, I don't. I am going to head home. Maybe I kind of want to go to the thrift store. I don't need to go to the thrift store. I just don't. I think I'm actually gonna go to Kirkland's, not gonna lie to you, because I have to take down Christmas decor soon and I don't have things to replace said Christmas decor with. So we're gonna need to figure that out. So I might just have to go run to Kirkland's. Okay babes, hello. It is 12:16 and I'm just checking in with you guys. I just got home from Target, did my laundry, and I kind of just like touched up my hair a little bit because it started raining out because it's a very rainy, foggy, gross day today. And so I wanted to touch up my hair, touch up my makeup. And I'm actually going to film a kind of like, not necessarily winter arc, but kind of like a glow up-y, how to be your best self in 2025 type of video, because I just keep seeing them all over my page. And I think some of the creators that are making some of the videos, they're awesome. They're really cool. But there's also a lot of videos out there that I feel like are not genuinely giving good advice for longevity of new habits and good habits. So I think I'm gonna dabble in it and kind of give my 2 cents into that niche of a video. So if you guys are watching this and you're super into stuff like that, go ahead and make sure that you're checking that out. I'll put that video card right here and link it down below. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on with this vlog after I film still, because it's still a rainy day and there's still things I need to get done. So yeah. Okay guys, I just filmed my how to glow up and be your best self kind of video. I just filmed it and I'm actually like literally so excited. I feel like it genuinely was me having a therapy session with all of you. Like I feel like I was just talking, you know, to my camera, looking insane in my window, but it genuinely made me feel so good and I just freaking love that video. So make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the little salt and pepper in the new little the new shakers. So, oh, it's upside down. Great. And then this was the only thing that I could find that was like a big thing of salt. Not salt. What? Corn? Whole black peppercorn. It was the only thing I could find. It's only like this big. So, I don't know if pepper is just like more expensive or what, but we'll make it work. Okay, so here's our predicament. I bought a salt and pepper grinder set. If it's a grinder set, shouldn't both of these be grinders? This is the pepper. So I got the peppercorn, put it in here, and it works, okay? This though is like a normal, you pull that out, you fill it, and it's got like the salt. But here's the problem. I bought a whole thing of coarse kosher salt. So to me, I'm thinking, oh, put it in here and it's gonna grind it. It does not. So now I have this really cute set. So I'm like really disappointed now. It's fine, I guess. I just feel like this should not say salt and pepper grinder set. It should say salt shaker pepper grinder. So I'm still gonna keep it. Obviously, it was like $5. It is what it is. It's really cute, but kind of disappointed, and I just need to get normal salt, which is fine. I know that it's an easy fix. It just kind of makes me sad. Okay guys, I'm flashing forward a couple hours, but I'm at my best friend's house and she has this cutesy little vanity and we're reorganizing, so I just wanted to show you guys. I'll show you guys what we end up doing. This is my forte, so I'm excited, very excited. Here's what we came up with. Cutesy little organization. Lex would not have been able to do that without me, so I had to get my expertise. We just like kind of decluttered a little bit and then made sure everything that's up front is like cutesy products, like her everyday spritz. Very aesthetic, very cute.
Very cutesy.
Okay guys, I just got home from Alexa's and it is 10:18 at night, so I don't know why, but I just feel like I'm not tired enough yet to go to bed, and I know that's probably not the best practice for me, especially because I do want to wake up early tomorrow and my Garmin watch keeps trying to tell me it's time for sleep. I think I'm gonna go to the gym because I've been wearing my cute workout top literally all day and just never went to the gym. It's upper body day. I really want to hit arms and this top because I feel like they just look like cute. And I have these CRZ yoga shorts on. They're like my absolute favorite things ever that I've discovered on Amazon. This top is for people I got for Christmas. So I'm just gonna get ready for the gym and yeah, I don't know. I'm just having like adult free will right now. So I will see you guys there. 11:37 p.m. and obviously you guys saw me eat my little bowl of cereal. Now, was that the most nutritious, and is that normally something I would do, is work out this late and then also eat this late? No. But like I said, and like you guys know by now, it's winter break for me while I'm making this vlog. So my routine is not routining the way that it normally would, and I'm not being a very good example for myself, especially after starting my New Year's series and just like wellness and things like that. But again, this is not something that normally happens. I didn't even plan on going to the gym today. Today was gonna be my rest day because I have a longer run planned tomorrow and I really should be getting good sleep for that. But I figured I had energy still and I just was like craving the gym, so I went. I'm going to get in the shower, and it is unfortunately self-tan night. I think I might just do like my lower body because I am like really tired and I don't feel like waiting to get Andrew to help me put it on my back and do all that. So I think what I'm going to do is just self-tan lower body, get in the shower, light a candle, get ready for bed, sleep, and then my vlog will be over. So with that being said, I hope you guys genuinely enjoyed this winter productive day vlog, and just expect lots of these in the future and lots more with way healthier habits than going to the gym at 11 o'clock at night. I hope you guys have the best day.